me, Poppy.
And me, Sawyer.
And we're the
MessMakers!
Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be doing
Pour
painting. Yay! Now, first thing we're going to do is prep our canvas. We're going to spread our paint on it, and first we have to raise it up. So, Sawyer, yours is raised. First, how you raise it is put the small cups into a square shape, a little square shape, because these canvases are smaller. Canvas on. There. And next, we're going to be pouring. You could use white or black on your thing. But I am doing black, and my brother here is doing white. So, let's start the pouring. Okay, that's my paint there. So, you could use a spatula or anything. You have to spread it so it covers the whole thing. It can drip down the sides also. It's okay, buddy. Just move it back. You might need to add a little more paint if it too much drips off. You might have to help me. Tell me what this looks like down at the comments. It's our second part, and for this part, we're gonna layer the paints into the empty cup. So, Sawyer, let's get started by layering the paints. Whatever color you want to start with is fine. Don't use all of it up, though. If you have a brother or sister, you have to share. It's good to pour it on the side. So, the yellow. Okay, paint's gone. So, there is our layered paint. Our third part, and we're finally going to do the pour. First, you take your background color and put a small dot in the middle. My brother has his too. Next, you're going to start pouring your layered paint. Sawyer, start pouring your layered paint. A little bit at a time. Pour paintings are very cool. And then you can also tip your canvas so your paint moves in a certain direction. You don't have to cover your whole canvas if you don't want to. Okay, this is mine. Oh no. This is my pour paint canvas picture. Sawyer, you almost finished with your pour paint?
I'm done.
Wow, I like yours. So, these paintings look really different. Tell us in the comments what they look like to you. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. See you soon. Bye!